We took a trip to Young's Dairy Farm in Dayton for their legendary Easter egg hunt, and what happened next was insane. The place was buzzing with fun, from a colorful carousel ride to mouth-watering food stalls and games for all ages. Carousel's soft ice cream bullseye. It wasn't just an egg hunt, it was a full-on Easter festival packed with joy and non-stop activities. Fearful-faced 10,000 Easter eggs were scattered across the field, and the moment the whistle blew boom collision, they were gone in under 60 seconds. Kids sprinted in all directions, baskets flying, eyes locked on the prize. Man running, woman running dash. The energy was electric. Laughter, cheers, and squeals of excitement as little ones dove into the hunt, scooping up candy, golden eggs, and surprise toys. Gift sparkles. Parents were cheering from the sidelines, while the kids celebrated every find like it was buried treasure. Trophy partying face. The whole scene was pure Easter magic. A perfect mix of springtime joy, family fun, and heart-pounding action. Tulip rabbit face. And the setting? Beautiful. Young's Dairy had everything from fun activities to delicious food, making it an unforgettable family day. Sun-face soft ice cream. If you blinked, you definitely missed it. But don't worry, we got it all on camera. Movie camera. Hit that like button if you love epic egg hunts and subscribe for more awesome family adventures. Let's dive into the madness. Roll the footage. Clapperboard down finger.